Hi, Tim Miller here from GE. Today we're going to take you through the installation of our latest Troffer Refit Kit. We call it the LVR. The LVR is designed to have the identical look to our LVT fixture known as the Lumination Volumetric T-Grid, which is a new construction fixture that fits in a T-Grid ceiling. Both the LVR and LVT have some key differentiating features not found on other products in this volumetric style family. The matte paint finish gives it a clean, classy architectural look that has no glare yet has high reflectivity. The highly reflective paint is used so as not to give the appearance of shadows or dark spots. A solid steel construction gives the product rigidity while being light enough during handling and installation. A translucent, non-ribbed diffuser that is balanced to have enough transmissivity to be efficient, yet enough milkiness to have the smooth, uniform light across the diffuser, so that you will never see strips of light or LED pixels that is prevalent in other brands. The diffuser also has no end caps that cause unsightly dark bands on each end of the fixture that just look bad in a ceiling plane. And finally, the diffuser is solidly attached to the fixture so as not to fall out, yet be very simple to remove from below the ceiling plane, with no need to remove the new fixture or unlatch the refit kit. Both the LVT and LVR offer standard and DLC premium options, as well as excellent TM21 ratings based on our conservative approach to fixture design. The standard performance ratings have a calculated L80 at greater than 100,000 hours and a reported L85 at greater than 60,000 hours. The premium performance product is even better. The calculated L90 is at greater than 100,000 hours and the reported L90 is greater than 60,000 hours. Each LED strip or printed circuit board is riveted in 5 different locations. We use rivets instead of screws or tabs to better hold the boards and maximize the heat dissipation, thus the overall quality and longevity of the light fixture. Rivets provide uniform clamping force on the LED boards. This force remains consistent from the manufacturing floor, during transportation, and to the installed fixture for its entire life. Using rivets make for a very repeatable manufacturing process, so each rivet clamp is the same every single time. Screws can have variation because of stripping, misaligned screws, or variation in installation torque causing potential LED life issues. As an example, if the thermal transfer in a fixture is compromised, a 10 degrees C higher LED case temperature is 25,000 hours less in LED life. Obviously, this can be significant over a fixture lifetime. And finally, our LVT and LVR offer a wide variety of controls options with a small sensor footprint that is elegantly integrated into the diffuser. From Daintree 1, which is a simple motion sensing option, to Daintree Easy Connect, which is a distributed system, as well as Daintree Enterprise, which offers a complete, full-blown control system. Both Daintree 1 and Easy Connect are upgradable to Daintree Enterprise with no additional changes to the fixture. All of these differentiating features on the GE LVT and LVR put them in a class of their own. We encourage you not to compromise for anything less. Now focusing on the LVR, it fits in the ceiling inside of an already existing fixture box. You simply remove the guts of an existing fixture and retrofit the LVR into the back box of that existing fixture. This way you don't have to penetrate the ceiling plane, thus never disrupting anything in the ceiling above the fixture, be it seismic wires that are cumbersome and labor-intensive to redo, or 20 or more years of dirt and dust up there that you just want to keep up there. Typically, it takes less time to gut a fixture and wire in the refit kit than install a new fixture. Our technical teams have spent more than 5 years doing refit installs in the field with contractors. And yes, we've had obstacles along the way, but we listened, we watched, and we learned. And from all of that knowledge, we were able to incorporate all the fixes into the LVR design. And that's where we are for the installers today. Our other knowledge base comes from spending years of developing fluorescent lamps. GE is unique in knowing what fixtures are out there. You see, after leading the industry in fluorescent lamps, we have a huge archive of physical fixtures that we've tested from various customers over the years. We made sure our kit fits in every one of those fixtures, as well as ones we have come across recently, making our kits compatible with hundreds of different fixture types. We have made it very simple. After you gut the fixture, you take 2 end brackets, slip them under the T-Grid, and tech screw them in. Then you attach the fixture, wire it up, and close it like a door. We estimate it takes about half the time as installing a new fixture, and there is none of that 20 years of stuff to clean up. The key differentiators of the LVR kit include a universal end bracket that have slotted screws so it can easily be centered once it's in the T-Grid. It's made of robust steel so that it's easy to push it in between the T-Grid and the fixture. Additionally, there are tick marks that allow the installer to easily center it and see that it's centered once in the T-Grid. The included tech screws that we pay a few extra pennies for have a defined cutting edge to make it simple to bite the metal and screw in. We also have a bulk pack of these that can be purchased separately. Also included is a tether with a lasso that can be installed in literally a few seconds instead of having to fumble around trying to screw it into the fixture box. Power wires that are long enough to reach any location in the existing back box with a quick connect attached. Simple self-centering latches that keep the fixture perfectly centered so you don't have to worry about messing around trying to center the fixture after the install is complete. And finally, as mentioned before, a well-attached, easily removable diffuser that you can remove from below the ceiling pin. The LVR is truly best in class for retrofit fixtures. For the latest information, go to led.com, and thanks for watching.